Hello everyone. Today, we'll learn how to give the feedback on selected text feature in EazyDocs. Before we begin, make sure your EazyDocs Pro Max license is activated. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the EazyDocs Pro settings, then to Docs Single and locate the Feedback Options section. Enable all the options there, including the feedback on selected text feature, and save your settings. Next, go to your documentation page and enable the feedback switcher. Select the text you want to comment on, add your comment, and submit it. Now, when you click over the selected text, you will see the feedback you provided. You can add multiple feedback for the articles. You can also turn off the feedback switcher. After then, your feedback won't show. If you want to allow the viewers to submit or view the feedback, then you have to go to the feedback options and then scroll to the bottom. You can see there is a field available which is who can view comments. Empty this field. Save the settings. Now, anyone can give feedback to the selected texts anonymously.